Pleasant good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Nessie Ablog from Pantay Fatima, Vigan City, Ilocos Sur. 28 years old, single, and blessed to have a beautiful daughter named Jayana Elise, 3 years old. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. I am a hardworking person and trustworthy person and have a long patience. I work here in the Philippines as maid for 4 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple and 2 children ages 2 and 4. My main duties are cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of the children. I would like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family and for the future of my kids. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I promise to give you my very best and to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.